I think the most important thing if you're coming to me and trying to determine how do we make this place usable and safe for us is really to be honest about the pain points. Really be honest about what is the greatest challenge in using the space. What's the ideal difference? Because when we meet with customers, the hardest thing to mesh is what's possible with what they need. And if either of those aren't discovered within that process of our consultant meeting with you, then we could miss what may seem a very complicated point to you as a very simple detail, or vice versa, something you may want really may not be worth the investment to do for what you would actually get out of it. So as a customer, it's always good to think about and to really determine what are my real pain points here, or what do I really want to accomplish? And the more clear you are with your goals, the more easier it is for us to formulate a solution to meet them. Home improvements can be really stressful. There's a lot of fear in that process because you're inviting a stranger into your home, you're going to let them tear it up, and then you're going to hope that it's going to come back like you think it will in your mind. So being able to trust the person that you're sitting with and to be honest with them about what you desire and know they've got your best interests at heart as they design that, and they're not looking for ways to just raise the price on things or create a bigger project than necessary it's really critical. So at Bordner, we have a purpose. The whole purpose of our business is to be relationships focused and results driven. And what we believe is that in the home improvement business, there are a lot of people that are great sales and marketing focused organizations, right? They can focus on the relationship and they can make you feel real good about it, but at the end of the day, they don't have the craftsmanship to back it up, and so you're really disappointed with the results. On the flip side of that, there are a lot of great craftsmen out there that can do great work, but they're not good at the relationship side of it. They're not good at communicating, understanding your expectations. What is the process going to be like? Staying updated within that, knowing that you're not going to end up on Fox 4 with somebody who took your money, right? Or that kind of thing. And so we believe that if we can deliver on both sides of that, if we can be relationships focused and we can be results driven, that we're always going to be in the conversation for the contractor that you choose to work inside your home, because it does require so much trust to allow somebody to come in and do the work that we do, and we don't take that trust for granted.